Welcome everybody to the channel. It is time to rise and grind. And if you're new, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when we do videos like this. But today on the channel, we are going to do a little unboxing, unpackaging, unwrapping of this Milwaukee M18 work light, they're calling this. And it's just a small little flashlight as you would have in your shop or in your house. If you have the M18 line, this might be a handy dandy tool or give you a little bit of light. It doesn't set you back much. It's like maybe $40 or something like that. But I have the M18 line and I needed a work light along with some of the, I also did a review on a stick light, so which I'll put that up in here. So this way you guys can see, and maybe later on in the channel we'll do a comparison of brightness and functionality of the stick light versus the work light. But what do you say we head over to the table, do a little unwrapping of this, and connect the battery, and then we're going to do a little test, turn the lights off and do a test. So let's go over to the table. Well, here is the Milwaukee M18 LED work light, and it's like I said, it says that it is 100%, or I'm sorry, 120 degrees of rotation on this, and as you can see in the photo here, I don't know if you can see that, right there, that this will rotate up and down to give you a little bit more angle and stuff like that. And it also says that it is water and dust resistant. And it is shock proof, and it's a high output light. So let's open this up, see what it looks like, and give the first feel review on this. So I'm just going to open it up here. Be careful when you're working with blades not to cut yourself. And I'm just going to pull this apart here. And here is your work light. And it's actually rather light. And it fits nice in the hand here. Well, right off the bat, this is a little loose. It doesn't take much to rotate the head. It looks like when you put it in the position that you want it, it looks like it will stay. If you shake it or drop it, it does look like it moves. So that might be a good feature, because if it falls in like this, it has a little bit of give, and it will collapse rather than, it'll take the impact. But it doesn't look like there's much to this. There's a plastic hook here. So this way, if you want to hang it from something, and we'll go over that because we are going to go back to the 2nd Gen Ram show truck, and I'll pop the hood for you, turn the lights off, and do a little review. And here looks like a darker lens. I don't know if you could see if that's a little dark or whatnot, but there is a single LED in there. And I also did a review on the Milwaukee Spotlight, which is also a single LED, but I believe it might be bigger. So maybe we'll even do a little, which that's not going to compare to this anyway, but we could do a little brightness check on the flood pattern on that versus this. So, like I said, if you have the M18 line, the batteries, this is what it'll take. They do make the smaller version. These are the 5.0s. So I'll throw that off to the side. And then all you got to do is just put it in. And as you can see here, this is a fully charged battery. And then now we're going to turn this on. First click, off. So there's only one mode on this, and I seen this because it is small, it's compact, and I figured it's something that I could use in my toolbox when I'm traveling on the road or here in the shop. I could set it down and rotate the head up and let it shine out as something if I need to. So I don't want to blind you guys or nothing like that. So this might come in handy. But we'll definitely turn the lights off and check it out and see how it compares to in the dark, and see how well it does. And then I'm sure as an emergency light, it'll be far well worth it. It has, like, you could either hold it like this and use the flashlight like this, or you could tip the head all the way up and then you could use it like this, like a conventional flashlight. So whether you're working on the bottom of the vehicle, you can set it down on the ground and shine it up, or if you're on the place it on its side and you could point it any direction you want, which is pretty cool. Or if you have it sitting down like this and you need to illuminate if you have a flat tire, you could illuminate the wheel area, so this way you can see at night. And just looking at it here with all the lights on, I'm not sure how bright it is, but it's enough to get you out of a jam. So what do you say we go over to the truck and we'll turn the lights off and give this a little field test to see how bright it is in the dark. So alright, now we are here in the dark and I am going to illuminate the Milwaukee light, and there it is. This is the type of light that you will get from the spot beam. Now, as you can see here, it's not too bad. Will it get you out of a pinch? Definitely. It doesn't take up much room in your toolbox, but it doesn't give an overly big pattern. It's a nice round pattern. Now I'm moving it up to this is up by the top of the hood. And let me try this hook here and see what this hook does. And I'll put this hook on here somewhere. Let's see here. Alright, well, the hook's not, you can't twist it a certain way, so any way you put it on, it just wants to go that way. But the hook on this application, probably use it as a hood light, is probably useless. But this is the pattern you get, not bad. I am out near where you guys are at and showing you the spot pattern on how it can come in. So once again, one function, that's all you get in this, and it's just a simple on or off. But let me get you guys back out of here, and then we'll give you my final review and my final thought on this. So what are my final thoughts on this Milwaukee LED work light flashlight? I think it's a very handy and dandy flashlight. There's hardly any weight to this at all, and without the battery I could see maybe bumping it, accidentally dropping it out of your hand. But like I said, this is the bigger battery. If you have the smaller batteries, which won't take up much space, this is even probably packable. So if you hunt or anything like that, I could see this being a useful tool. So when you guys are out in a tree stand, if you ever need to put it down, when you're field dressing your game that you harvest, you have a nice work light. Would I pack something this heavy? No. I would definitely get a smaller battery. And with the smaller batteries, I'm not too sure how long they will last. So with the 5.0s, I know with the stick light, they last for hours. I'm getting maybe 12 hours on the stick light with these. So I'm assuming with the 5.0 that it will last quite a while with this. So, but I definitely like it. I'll probably be taking it on the road with me. There are 9 positions. I counted them, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes all the way up to 9 to where it could stand up like this. So if you're under the vehicle or need to illuminate something above you, you have that option to do so. Like I said, so if you're working on a wheel or a tire at night and you're on the roadside, you could just set this down along the road and illuminate your wheel. So this way you could change your tire or anything like that with ease and have enough light to do it. It's definitely enough light in a pinch to get you out of a jam. And I also like the fact that you could carry it and use it like this, or you could also use it like this. I like that option. So that's just some of my final thoughts on this little work light they're calling it. I more or less see it as just a plain flashlight with a big battery that adapts to your M18 system. I believe they do make this for the M12s, so if you have an M12 system, you could also get this light in an M12 system. And this hook like I says, that if you hang it from something, unless it's at a far enough way angle that you could get enough light on it, but as far as getting it to hang like this, at least with an M18, it just doesn't do it. I don't see this. I could see this just hanging it on something, like if you need to hang it on here like this or something like that when you're walking or something like that. But pretty much, well, and the hook is only plastic, so I don't see that lasting long if you use it. So it'd be nice if they made this hook metal, and that would make it real durable. But with any bigger batteries, probably than the smaller ones, you risk the chance of breaking the hook. Well, that's my final thoughts on this. Like I said earlier, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, because we do have more Milwaukee tool reviews to do for you guys, and we're going to start rolling them out, and just some of the simple tools that will help you around the home or the shop. Pretty much while I do the shop tools, I have a couple home tools that I'll do here and there, and I could also use some of the shop tools for inside the home, like the power drivers and things like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!